Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic AviCAD tutorial how to use Xclip. So to use Xclip you need to insert for the Xref object. You can tap Xref, press enter and click attach. So I will use this example DWG, click OK and insert into your drawing area. Click OK again. Now we have this Xref objects. External reference, and if you want to Xclip you can type Xclip, press enter, and then next you can select the objects, enter again. Now you can create a new boundary, click this option new boundary, and I will use the rectangular option. So you can create like from this point to here, and it will be automatically Xclip the selected Xref drawing. Okay, that's it for basic AviCAD tutorial how to use Xclip.